I'll be showing you how to switch between buttons and gestures on your Google Pixel tablet. So if you're using gestures like me, if you want to go home and while you're in an app, you simply swipe up like that and release, and you'll go back home. If you want to go back one step, swipe from the right or from the left, and you'll be able to go back one step. If you want to enter multitasking mode, simply swipe up and hold like that, and you'll get into multitasking mode. But if you want to switch to buttons, simply go to settings. On the left hand side panel, scroll down to system, tap on system, and under system you should see the gestures option. Tap on gestures, and under system navigation you should see that I have selected gesture navigation. So tap on system navigation like that, and of the two options you want to select 3-button navigation. So tap on that, and you should see that the buttons have now appeared. And if you want to go back one step, this is what you do. You tap on this back button like that. If you want to go back home, you simply tap on the home button in the middle. And if you want to enter multitasking mode, you simply tap that and you'll enter into multitasking mode. Now, these instructions will apply whether you're using the gestures or the navigation buttons. You simply select the one you want. So that's how to switch between buttons and navigation gestures and vice versa on your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.